Example 3. Simplify the expression cosine of the tangent inverse of x. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is we want to evaluate what's inside the function. So the first part is we need to take a look at the tangent inverse of x. Okay, so this is the same thing as x over 1. Okay, by it being x over 1, we're going to then draw our triangle. Okay, so we have our triangle here. Okay, so when it's tangent, we know it's the value of y over x. So the value of y in this case is going to be x, the value of x is going to be 1. And we want to figure out, okay, what is the hypotenuse? Or we can call this r, right? So what we want to find is, we know that r squared is going to equal x squared plus 1 squared. So that's r squared, which is equal to x squared plus 1. To solve for r, we get the square root of x squared plus 1. So therefore, the hypotenuse is the square root of x squared plus 1. Okay, now we're going to evaluate, because angle theta is what tangent inverse of x is. So we have the cosine of the tangent inverse of x. And so what we want to find is, what is the cosine of that angle theta? Well, the cosine is taking the value of x and dividing it by r. Well, the value of x is 1, divided by the value of r, which is the square root of x squared plus 1. So therefore, there is our solution.